Welcome back to the third part, where we'll be focusing on the validation of the parameters and creation of the parametric templates themselves. But what is the validation of the parameters? I will introduce an example where you would like to have a range or value in expression that has to be higher than a specific value because there could be a restriction coming from code or a code condition, and you know that the value has to be higher than 8mm right now, otherwise your code check won't pass. How can you do that? Click the three dots, you need to name the parameter ID, and your parameter ID has to be the same for you to have the same link between the parameters, and your validation expression could be an equation, integer, or other expression. Here you select the type, either warning or restricted. So let's say I'd like to have a condition my plate thickness has to be higher or equal to 10mm. If it's lower, I will get a warning. As you can see, it's 8mm. So it means validation will not pass for this value. You receive a warning indicated by a yellow triangle with an exclamation mark, but you can very easily still change it to the bad value and it will rewrite it to the model. So what happens if you switch to restricted? So if there is a restriction and you confirm it, there is a red cross. It means that the application doesn't allow you to move forward, and you need to change the value to the proper value so you can see a green tick and then set it to the model. Otherwise, it's not possible. So it just basically protects the script of the parameter against violation. For junior engineers, you can set up the range where you know that they can move safely within the parameter, so it leads to safe design within the reasonable range. Let me show you how you can create the template itself. So here I will set it to 20mm and then set it to the model, and I return to the design. As you can see, if I click operations, I have a splice thickness. In the description you see it's my splice thickness, so it's very important that the descriptions take on your description here, and I'd like to create the connection template. So let me create the connection template and then just publish it. And as you can see, here is a parameter and another box that is telling you that this is a parametric template and that it's turned on. So you can type here splice connection and you can publish it. Okay, it's already published, so I can come back to the settings, go through to preferences, and actually right now I will turn off my developer mode. Fine. And I can delete all the operations or create the project from scratch. So let's go to the project to create a new project. I don't want to save that. I will use the blank project like this. And right now, I would like to insert the parametric template that I created before or somebody created before. Then you navigate to Propose, and as you can see, you can turn on the checkbox Parameters. And I've created in a previous model another one. So this is my splice connection. Here is a different template. As you can see here, it is indicated in the bracket Parametric. If you click it, you will select the assembly materials. As you can see, everything is frozen from the other parameters point of view. The only parameter that can be changed is splice thickness. So this template can be shared using publish and proposed using personal and the company set. This was the last chapter, so thank you for your attention and thank you for completing this course.